In this tutorial, we will learn about the blend tool of cryoparametric by developing a solid named hammerhead. This tool is used when we want to create a solid by joining two or more closed profiles. Another important tool which is used in the modeling of this part is swept blend. As we can understand by its name, it is a combination of sweep and blend both features. In this feature, multiple closed profiles are joined using trajectory. In addition to this, general part modeling process of creating basic sketches, creating planes, etc. are also discussed. So let us start the tutorial. Create a new solid part file named hammerhead. Instead of using the default template, use the metric template by selecting the MMNS part solid template here. Open the visibility of datum planes if they are not open. Select the front plane in the model tree and activate sketching tool to create a sketch on the plane. Close the visibility of planes now. Activate Sketch View command to orient the sketching plane parallel to the screen. Draw a square of 60 mm using the center rectangle tool. Here apply 60 mm dimension and then apply equal constraints on these two lines. Our sketch is complete, so click the green check mark to exit from the sketching mode. Now we will create a new datum plane. Activate the tool and select the existing front datum plane. Fill the distance 25 mm and click OK. It will create a new datum plane 25 mm offset from the front plane. On this newly created datum plane 1, create a new sketch profile. Draw a circle of 50 mm dia. Use the reference tool to take references of these vertices of the previously drawn square. Use these reference points and center point to draw two center lines. Use the divide tool to divide the circle at these four intersecting points. Exit from the sketching mode. Save your work. Again, open the visibility of datum planes. Switch to View tab and select the right, top and front datum plane from the model tree. Hide the visibility of these planes by clicking this Hide button. Switch back to the Model tab. Create new datum plane 25 mm offset from this plane. On this new datum plane 2, create a sketch. Take the references of these vertexes. Draw a circle using the center point and projected vertex point. Draw two center lines in the sketch as we did in our previous sketch. Divide the circle in the same way. Exit from the sketching mode. Again, create a datum plane at an offset distance of 40 mm from the previously created datum plane. Hide the visibility of these datum planes. Press Save Status button. This will save the display state of the model permanently. Create a sketch on this newly created datum plane 3. Use the project tool to copy the previously created sketch profile in this work plane. Finish the sketch. Activate the blend tool. Click on the blend with selected sections. Switch to Sections tab. Select the sketch and click Insert. Do the same for the next sketch profile. Adjust the blend by dragging this arrow. Insert another sketch and adjust it with the arrow. Insert this last sketch and here select normal. Click the green check mark to apply and save all the settings. Change the part color as per your wish. Hide the visibility of these sketches datum planes and save display status. Set the visibility of the model to shading with edges. Now create a datum plane 200 mm offset from this face of the model. Start creating a sketch on this plane. Create a point 34.55 mm away from the center point. Draw a line of 150 mm length. Apply a midpoint constraint between this point and the line. Exit from the sketching mode. Now create another datum plane. Activate the tool. First, select this datum plane, then hold down the Ctrl key and select this sketched line. Fill 340° in rotation and execute the command. Hide the visibility of this datum plane. Now create a sketch on this datum plane. Orient the sketching plane parallel to the screen. Take the reference of this line. Draw a rectangle coincident with the center point of this reference line. Apply dimension of 5 mm here. Apply coincident constraint between this line and this point. Exit from the sketching mode. Create a sketch on right datum plane. Take the reference of this point. Hide the visibility of sketch 5. Switch to right view. Draw an arc of 550 mm radius connecting the center point of the sketch and this point. Exit from the sketching mode. Unhide sketch 1. Activate Swept Blend tool. Click the References tab and define the trajectory for the blend by selecting this arc. Switch to the Sections tab and click on selected sections. Insert both the sketch profiles as selections for the blend. Drag the arrow to adjust the blend feature and execute the command. Hide the visibility of sketches. Our work is complete, so save it.